see the rib meat? Is that what you said? They didn't see the rib meat?
I've seen too much. More force.
Ready?
You gotta do more force.
Yes.
You would hurt it. Smack him.
I don't want to make anyone jealous.
Set it off and drop it like it's hot.
Yeah, come on.
I don't want to make anyone jealous.
No, drop
Like
it
this, like this.
Come on. Come on. Show us
One more.
We know you
One more layer. Oh yeah.
I don't want to make anyone jealous, you know?
Like this.
I don't want to make your mother jealous.
My mom's always jealous.
When I come in, just stare at it. She just stare at it when I come in.
What?
Just stare at it when I come in.
All she ever does.
Oh my God.
And when you leave, she says, "Oh my God, why did he come by?" I'm just
Does she like sweating?
Does she like sweating?
The beer sweat. That's body.
I think so.
Ew.
I don't know. I don't
Back
know.
up. That scared me.
That one was
Nipples
free.
got
That was-
huge. Sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
Nothing free about that. You're gonna be paying for the rest of your
I
life.
just saw a huge nipple.
Just got real.
I just saw a huge nipple.
Just got real.
Stop taping me.